Maintaining an organized closet is always been a challenge, especially for moms with kids. When my honey Ed died, I put some of his clothes in the box. Some I gave away, some I'm still wearing it, like his t-shirts and polo shirts. Or you can make a killet blanket for some clothes of your died relatives and make it as a souvenir. So it's time to reorganize my closet. The first thing to do is to empty the closet. Segregate your clothes by category and tackle one drawer or shelf at a time, like all denims, all t-shirts, all leggings, etc. As I go through, it is my chance to sort and purge some clothes that I don't wear anymore and been stuck there for so many years. I prepare one trash bag here to set aside all the clothes to give away. Every time I folded my clothes like t-shirts, blouses, pajamas, or everyday clothes, I want it to be evenly folded because I hate it when I see clothes protruding from the fold. Then clean it with damp rag to take away all the dust and mites inside. My goal is to give every item a home. The first shelf up here, I put clothes that I seldom use like jackets, sweatshirts, and skirts. On the middle part, I put here my everyday home clothes like my t-shirts, sleeveless, blouses, and because I have extra space on the side, I put here my rolled shorts and pajamas. Down here, I put my denim pants. And on the right side, I put my rolled leggings. First, my dresses. I usually combine it with cardigans, but of course the color should be coordinated, so I can just grab it there and no need to look for a suitable partner for the dress, especially when I am rushing. By doing this, we can save on hangers and time. Next, my blazers or delicate items should be hung too. I also combine it with inner clothes like putting sleeveless or blouses inside. Next, long sleeves. I usually put sleeveless or spaghetti strap blouses inside to save on space and hangers. Next, blouses that easily wrinkled or delicate blouses because I don't iron my clothes. The secret is after spinning from washing machine, you just have to shake the clothes before hanging it. This is the perfect space for my dresses because of the height. Most of us are a visual person. If we don't see it, we don't remember it. So if you have a lot of space, it is better if you hang everything so you can find it more easily. It is also nice to have coordinated hangers to make it look nice and tidy. clothes should be by height. For example, you need to put all at one side the long blouses, so you can use the extra room below for boxes, bags, and folded clothes like blouses and sleeveless. Now let's go to the first drawer. I put here my undergarments, hankies, face towels, stockings. Me, I don't need to put dividers because I am very disciplined when I get my things. On this side drawer, I put my bath towels. The drawer below, I put my beddings like bed sheets and some comforters. And the last, on the farther right, I put here my small blankets, curtains, and tablecloth. The advantage of an organized closet is, of course, it is much easier to find your stuff. Isn't it nice that every time you open your closet, it can put smile on your faces? We can make it a habit if we really want to. Seeing your closet clutter-free, nice and tidy really feels good. So guys, make organizing fun. Thank you very much for watching.